Okay, so I'm here in my CitiCar, got the dash all apart, and I am putting in the new Studebaker 1965 headlight switch because the old one was missing and replaced with something different, and it matches the other switches, although these are clearly much more aged. But it turns out that whatever they used here is probably the same as the wiper switch, and I don't know if it's a Studebaker wiper switch or if what I got for the headlight switch is off, or I don't know. But this should be in the center for off, down for park, and up for headlights. But it turns out that the only way I could get it to wire was all the way down for off, middle for park, up for headlights. So until I can find a different one, I'm gonna just use it that way. I also put this little splitter here for this. This is one wire with two connectors on the end of it, just daisy chains. And I don't think this, I know this doesn't have any effect. Electrically, it just keeps this wire from like banging about loose in the back of the dash. So I put it on there. But yeah, I checked out all the different combinations of these terminals and how they work, and I could come up with nothing that was gonna work the way it should. You'll also notice, by the way, that these two brown wires here on the bottom have two wires coming in and then they bridge across. So again, electrically they're on the same circuit and they're connected to these two tabs, which again are in the center connected, and it's all just one circuit there. So with any luck, I won't end up draining the 12-volt battery down a bunch because I accidentally leave it in the position marked as off. And hopefully I can find someone who's got an extra wiper switch for an early CitiCar, and I can get that in there and get this working the way it should.